So Apple got robbed today, apparently, and it's crazy, honestly, what happened in the UK. So the report just came out that Apple truck was robbed and they lost over $6.6 million worth of items and goods. So the way this robbery happened is that the M1 highway in Northamptonshire, around 70 miles northwest of London, and it happened in the daytime from what is being presented here. Now, as far as what is being presented right now by the police, they haven't really caught any suspect. They are still monitoring and investigating the situation. It's not yet clear how this happened overall, but from what they're saying, they say the trailer that loads that particular product that they were trying to move from one location to the other, the trailer was robbed. The guards in the trailer were tied up by the armed robbers, and they were tied up, and they took off with the van. They drove off with the trailer itself with the items, and they didn't really go that far. They they kind of like moved around 7 miles north of where they robbed, and they moved all the shipments from that van to the other getaway van that they had, and they made away with $6.6 million worth of Apple products. From what they reported that they actually moved around 48 pallets of Apple products into a third vehicle, and the investigation is still underway. It's not yet clear what, at least they didn't really report how many iPhone 12s, but from what they're saying that the truck had their new Mac computers, their new iPads, their new Apple Watches, HomePods, AirPods, and various other accessories. So the you see, this kind of robbery don't happen. It doesn't really happen regularly, and it's something that once it happens like this, it's really nice to cover because in the tech space, you don't really hear that shipments of products are robbed in broad daylight. So these things are quite bad because I really don't get why people would want to steal these products that may be harder to sell. And I think right now the police is like saying that, or telling people that they should report any cheap Apple products that will be marketed to them to be sold. So, in the black market, Apple products sell very well. So, anything whenever anybody steals anything like an Apple product, the chances are that it's pretty much going to sell very well because of the brand and the reputation of the brand itself. So that is it. This kind of robbery don't really happen often. It's unique to itself. It happened. I think there were little to no security for this particular shipment, and these things happen. But it's all good. I believe the police would get to the bottom of this, and the people involved in this horrible crime would be brought to book because it's not cool to see a brand like Apple lose $6.6 million worth of goods. It's not just cool. Even though I don't even like Apple, but it's not cool that they are losing this kind of products, and it's not even good for the tech community, to be honest. But it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. Be sure to follow us on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like our content, and I'm going to see you guys next time.